how to get the Trust This Computer message to pop up on your iPhone. So this is important. If you want to connect your phone to your computer, then you'll first need to go in Trust and allow the connection. So what we need to do is come over to our iPhone like this and make sure to disconnect any USB-C cables. Now go and open up the settings on your iPhone, and we're going to scroll down the page and click on General. Scroll down to the very bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now click on Reset and press Reset Location and Privacy. You will need to enter your iPhone's passcode to go and confirm these changes. And once it's been reset, go and grab a USB-C cable. Go and plug one end into your iPhone and the other end into your laptop or computer. Now make sure your iPhone is unlocked, and when you connect your device, it should pop up with a Trust This Computer message. You could then go and allow the connection to connect your iPhone to your PC. If it's not popping up, then try using a different USB-C cable or a different USB-C port on your computer.